today's video. This question is called the left shift by powers of 2. The question reads, the left shift operation is similar to multiplication by powers of 2. And here, as you can see, I have some examples. All it is you have a number, and this is the first part, and then times your 2 to the power of whatever your second number is. And you multiply them together and return the answer. We're going to be using the math.pow. So it's a double. You have 2 parameters, double A and double B. So the number, base, exponent 2. So we're going to use this, and what we're going to do is we're just going to return. So we're looking for input of int. We have to convert the numbers here, these doubles, convert them to ints. So this first number is already an int, so we don't need anything. The next part is the math.pow operation. Inside of here, we're going to have our number, the 2, and it's being raised to the power of y. So right here, we have to perhaps add this int as well. Now there'll be an int times int, and it should return an int. So that's going to be it for today's video. Just plug it. So thanks for watching.